channel MuleSoft Unleash. I hope you enjoyed my last video, Introduction on Agent Force. Today, I'm diving into MuleSoft Agent Fabric, what it is, why it's needed, and how it's transforming the way enterprises manage and orchestrate their growing network of intelligent agents. The modern enterprise already manages over 900 agents, and this number continues to grow daily. As a result, we are witnessing an explosion of agents across the environment. The power of MuleSoft Agent Fabric lies in its ability to bring together autonomous, intelligent agents, collaborating to take integrations to the next level. Beyond reusable APIs, MuleSoft now empowers you to orchestrate, govern, and manage all your agents, just like you do with your APIs. It's about making your agentic ecosystem manageable, scalable, and future-ready. MuleSoft Agent Fabric transforms disconnected agents into a governed, highly coordinated and intelligent network. It brings every agent into a single, unified view, making them easy to discover, govern, and execute complex multi-agent workflows securely with full visibility and control. Govern any agent, anywhere, orchestrate agents across ecosystems. Observe every agent interaction. MuleSoft Agent Fabric maximizes the value of your entire agent network, enabling them to work together seamlessly to automate processes, ensure compliance, and drive intelligent outcomes. The four pillars of MuleSoft Agent Fabric: Discover Agent Registry, a central registry that catalogs every agentic asset across your enterprise, whether it's built in-house, embedded in SaaS, or sourced externally. Think of it as an evolution of MuleSoft Exchange, but for agents. Orchestrate Agent Broker, a context-aware orchestration layer that dynamically routes and coordinates agents, selecting the best fit assets to execute complex business processes efficiently and securely. It defines business-focused domains to bring structure and purpose to even the most complex agentic ecosystems. Govern Flex Gateway for agents, extending MuleSoft's proven Flex Gateway to secure, inspect, and manage every agent-to-agent and agent-to-system interaction. It enforces enterprise policies like rate limiting, authentication, data masking, and compliance checks, ensuring every interaction is consistent, compliant, and secure. Observe Agent Visualizer, a visual interactive map of your entire agent network, showing how agents connect, collaborate, and perform in real time. Monitor key metrics like confidence scores, bottlenecks, and hallucination risks, making your AI ecosystem transparent and accountable. MuleSoft Agent Fabric, turning autonomous agents into a governed, observable, and intelligent digital fabric that powers the future of integration. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel MuleSoft Unleash for more updates. And don't forget, drop a comment if there's something specific you'd like me to cover in the next video.